Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome. Just give me a second. Got it. Okay, accept all. Alright, here we've got our browser, and of course be aware that I'm using Chrome, but basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find out how to do it on your browser. So right now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some, I would say, basic options, so we can remove the history, tabs opened on this device, cookies, cache and other site data. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, 4 weeks or even all time. So if you're satisfied with those options, just tap on delete data and you're done. However, you can also remove some advanced browsing history just by tapping on more options. And here we will be transferred to this section. This is the first one which was described before, and here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Again, the time range, it's up to you. And then tap on delete data. And basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.